Without a doubt, aircraft such as the Corsair, Hellcat, and Avenger were icons of the U.S. Navy during World War II. This book, from the bench of accomplished modeler Jordi Lario, shows how this type of aircraft can be painted exclusively with Vallejo products. From the painting of the cockpit and interior to the final stages of weathering, the techniques and tricks necessary to achieve excellent results are shown through a multitude of step-by-step guides, highlighted sections, and visual information. Through the different aircraft featured, the reader can understand how to paint everything from monochrome finishes to interesting tritonal camouflage, thus covering the main schemes used from 1944 to 1945. The book is a complete and interesting guide, not only for lovers of U.S. Navy aircraft from World War II, but also for any modeler who wishes to learn how to paint cockpits, interiors, camouflage, and weathering effects exclusively with acrylics to individualize each model.